That's, the pension fund is a whole nother ball of
They
wax.
mismanage for money, I don't know.
But can I back up a minute and explain to you about your 52 police officers? This woman's exactly right. We have 17 police officers that are on force that were obtained through stimulus money. Now, I worked previously in a business where you actually applied for stimulus money. What they ask you, flat up, is if you are going to apply for this money, do you have, there will be no money after 2 or 3 years. Do you have the money to pay this? You have to put in that grant. Yes. And I proposed that at a budget meeting, and the mayor and the city manager just blew it off, because that's the point. They say yes. Oh yeah, that's right. 2 years later, they're going to attack them. As far as all those other 52 positions, they already have the money to get those guys. Most of the positions that they're missing, is Chief Thomas is missing 17 or 18 or 20 officers. Those are guys that are in Iraq. Those are guys that are sick. Those are guys that have, you know, officers that have fallen down. These are, who in this place doesn't work someplace where they have an absolute guarantee of 100% complement of workers every day? And we've already confirmed through the budget office that all those positions are fully funded, the money's in the bank. They don't need the tax to hire them. It's not a matter of money, it's a matter of the positions are already filled, and they can't fill them because they're in Iraq. So these positions, what they want to do is hire 20 more officers above their complement, so they always know they have 100%. The police himself said that if he gets what he wants, he will be 16 officers above what's 100% employment for the police officer. We don't have any need for more police. We don't need any more police. We got more than enough to do the job. Just do